So the previous screen recording I did was terrible, so let's try it again.
En nu? De nieuwe Lennar is gemaakt met hemelse plantaardige zaad.
Bros, I think we're good. Netflix, man. Hello? Oh my god, I am in the final layer of hell. Listen to this. Let's see if this is any better without streaming it back to the PC.
Goodbye,
The answer is a resounding no. Okay, clearly this thing is not going to be handling GameCube, so let's try the Wii. You know, buddy, I just don't really know if you're cut out for GameCube or Wii emulation. I hate to break it to you. Oh, is this unskippable? Alright, I don't think we need to see New Super Mario Bros. Wii. I think we're good. Netflix...